Here's how to connect your Samsung Watch to Strava in 2025. Step 1. Install the Strava app on your watch. Open the Galaxy Store on your watch, search for Strava, and tap Install. Once it's installed, launch the app. Now, your watch will give you a 4-digit code and ask you to visit a website like samsung.strava.com on your phone. Open that on your phone, type in the code, and sign into your Strava account. Once you authorize, boom, you're connected. From here, you can start tracking workouts directly from your wrist. Choose your activity like running or cycling, wait for the GPS lock, and hit start. You can pause or finish by swiping or using your watch buttons. Inside the app settings, you can also turn on auto pause, change distance units, or enable lap splits. Now, here's the second method, using Samsung Health. You don't even need the Strava watch app for this. Open Samsung Health on your phone, tap the 3-dot menu, go to Settings, Connected Services, and toggle on Strava. Then just sign in and authorize it. From now on, your workouts will sync automatically between Samsung Health and Strava. And that's it. You're now ready to use Strava with your Samsung Watch. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next